What a nice fall we had here on silver as mentioned in my yesterday's video, and here on net gas we had this pattern formed and we have a breakout of this pattern, and in today's video I'm going to go through gold and crude oil as well. So I'll see you guys right after the intro. Let's start our analysis with natural gas first. So what do we have right here? So I'm going to give you some points to look at today and tomorrow, as I don't upload videos on Friday. So I just want to watch this video carefully so that you know the conditions if we have that. Now, in my yesterday's video and few videos ago, I've said that if you have a break above 50 EMA, in that case, I will look for bullish pullback condition. Now, I've also mentioned that this big red candle, green candle is not a valid confirmation according to my rules. So we still did not get any sort of entry, and then the price pushed down and broken below 50 and 20 EMA. So at this point, when the price was ranging, I was waiting for the breakout above or below, and we also have the formation of this pattern. Now I've already uploaded a video where I teach you how to trade these patterns and how to enter these type of patterns. I'm going to put the link up there, and the links are in the description if you want to learn how to trade these patterns. Now we also have that. Now at this point, price has broken above this pattern right here with this green candle. Now I always say once the price break and close above 50 EMA, I want to see at least 2 candles to look for a good bullish momentum. Now the break itself is also an entry confirmation for bullish side. I've only tested Forex. I've not tested net gas for these pattern, but with a break we have an entry, and I keep my stop loss below this pattern. So that is how you can enter in an aggressive way, looking at the fact the price is above both the EMAs. If you are a less aggressive trader, what you can do, wait for another green candle followed by a pullback of few candles and then a bullish engulfer. In that case, we are going to go long. So that is what I personally look for. I personally look for a pullback followed by a bullish candle. That is how I have tested this commodity. So keep looking for that. If we have a dramatic fall, if we have no pullback entry, if let's say we have dramatic fall, in that case I will only go short followed by pullback. So for now, the price is bullish. We are trading above 50 and 20 EMA. The price has broken above this channel, and now I'm expecting a push up from here. So exactly the same as Owanda here on currency.com, we have a broke of this channel above, but the price has not broken above 50 EMA completely. So if you want to wait to enter in a less aggressive way, wait for a few more green candles with a pullback followed by a green candle. In that case, I'm going to go long. But if you are an aggressive trader on this platform, it would be better if you wait for the candle to close above 50 EMA. In that case, we have a complete break of 50 EMA and this channel as well. So wait for that. So once you have a condition on your platform, then you can enter your trade accordingly. So that is what I'm looking at for net gas. Looks bullish to me at this point, as long as price is not trading below this channel and 50 EMA. If you have a dramatic fall, in that case I will only look for my sell condition. And remember, no conditions, no entry. Once we have an entry, only then we set up stops and targets. Let's check gold. Right, gold has now pushed down and it did not make it to my level. I've mentioned yesterday that I'm still waiting for the price to hit my zone and then possible push down. Instead, the price has pushed down, broke and closed below 50 EMA. Now, if you say it is a valid buy condition, yes, it is a valid buy confirmation. If I see this type of big entry candle, in that case, what I do, I enter at 50% retracement. That would be right here. But in both conditions, we will have a stop loss hit if you would have entered with this big candle. Now, at this point, we have a support zone here below, which is 2005.55. That goes down to 1990.51. If you have a push down and formation of bullish engulfers, my double bottoms, pin bars, all these are my entry confirmation. If we have a condition at this area of value, your support zone, you can plot these on your charts. Once we have that, we are good to go long against. For now, we are bearish. We can get a pullback and a possible fall out of gold. So keep looking for buy trades from this area of value. Right. What a nice fall out of silver we had right here, mentioned in my yesterday's video. We had a hit of the zone followed by a bearish engulfer. I've mentioned in my yesterday's video that if the candle closes as a bearish candle, we have a sell signal. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. It has now hit the level of major resistance and now in the process of formation of bearish engulfing candles. So if this candle closed as a bearish candle, in that case we have a bearish signal. You can also keep your stop loss above this wick or rejection box, or you can and take profit wherever you want to take it. Awesome. So exact move. Remember, I've always says when we have a condition, then there is no need to be scared of to enter your trade if you have your tested strategy. Now with that, we have an aggressive entry right here. So with that, I've kept my stop loss above the wick, take profit below. I did not manage this trade, but if you would have managed it till support would be a good idea. So at this point, price is now at the level of support area, and the support zone is 24.27. that goes up to 24.59. Now if we have a bullish engulfing pattern right here, double bottoms right here, pin bars right here, we can expect some bounce, and that bounce will be enough to hit your target because the price is now pushing down in a nice bearish momentum. We can get a little bounce and then a continuation towards the downside. So if we have a condition right here, I will enter my buy trade and I will exit my trade, or if you want to manage it, it's up to you. Once we have that, we can look for another sell opportunity. So for now, I'll look for my buy condition. If we have that, I will enter my buy trade. If we have no buy conditions, let's say we have no bullish engulfers, no double bottoms, we have a pullback of few green candles, and then we have another bearish candle, bearish engulfer. In that case, I will still go short, use 1 ATR for your target. So that is what you need to look at for silver. Let's check crude oil. So last one, we have crude oil. As you can see, we had an entry condition right here and price has nicely pushed down. If we would have managed this trade, we did not get a bearish engulfer right here, minus area. But I've already sent these to my priority members. You should have received this zones report and you should have these on your charts, and with that the price has now pushed down. So at this point we can get few more green candles followed by a bearish candle and a continuation towards the downside until the price hit 69.64. that goes down to 66.22. If we have a push down, bullish engulfers within this zone, I will enter my buy trade. Bullish engulfers, double bottoms, pin bars, all these are my entry conditions. So I look for my entry conditions for buy trades once the price hit my green zone. For now, we are bearish. I will only look for pullback entries followed by pullback of a few green candles followed by bearish candles. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.